So what is gerund? When you do not have a noun form for that particular thought, idea, or word or thing, then what do you use? You use the ing form of verb as noun. That's called gerund. For example, let's take the word write. You write something. Write is the verb, right? If I have to use it as noun, then we'll use the writing, right? Writing is not good. Writing needs to be improved. Then we use the ing form of the verb. How do we have punctuation in sentences with gerunds? Come on, punctuate the first one. Where should I put what? Tell me, please. In the first sentence. Preparing for the IELTS exam requires careful time management.
It's already good. No corrections needed.
Very good, Shreyas. It's correct. It's a simple sentence and correct. No comma, nothing needed. What about the second one? Somebody else, please.
Ma'am, into should not be there.
Into the night should not be there.
No, everything should be there. You have to just punctuate. See, the instruction is punctuation in sentences with gerunds.
There should be a comma after students.
There should be a comma after students. All right. The others. Is she correct?
Sorry, before night.
Before night.
After night. After night. Sorry.
After night. Okay, so you are correcting yourself. It should be after night. So you're saying after. So the first one is correct. Now here you say. So you are confused, right? Whether it should be after night or student. Somebody else, please.
After night, ma'am.
Okay, it should be after night. All right, good. 3 of you have given the same answer, so I should accept it now. Working late into the night, comma. Good. Right, Ayush. Students often, because here students is the subject of the clause, main clause. So whenever you add something before the subject, you separate that. You know, they are modifiers. They modify the subject. So, or maybe whatever the work is done. So when you, they can be adjectives or adverbs, right? They can be just one word, or they can be a phrase also, group of words. Working late into the night, comma. Who are working late into the night? The students, right? It's modifying the students. So working late into the night, comma. Students often feel exhausted the next morning. So this is a modifier for students. This is what we need to understand. Very good. Excellent. So we place a comma. The next sentence.
There should be a comma after transport. Investing in public transport, comma. Building more bike lanes and creating pedestrian zones are all city priorities.
Okay, somebody else? One more try.
Ma'am, I think investing in public transport, semicolon, building more bike, comma, lanes, and creating pedestrian zones are all city priorities.
Okay, one more answer. After that, I'll get into the explanation.
Ma'am, after public, ma'am.
After public, there should be a comma.
Comma.
Okay, let's look at all the answers. 3 answers that have been given. If you put a comma after public, investing in public, comma, transport building. It seems as if transport building is investing in public. Previous sentence I explained to you, this modifier modifies what? The subject placed after it, right? So if I place a comma after public, it will mean investing in public. Who is investing in public? Transport building. Transport building is not investing, right? And then there is no verb after transport building, so that is wrong. If I say investing in public transport, semicolon, why a semicolon? Because that's not a clause. There's no verb over there. There's no subject and verb. Remember, clause has that. So semicolon cannot be put.
After transport, there should be a comma, ma'am.
Okay, I agree. After transport, there should be a comma. But there should be a comma somewhere else also. We are talking about A, B, and C are all city priorities. So what is A? Investing in public transport. B, building more bike lanes. C, creating pedestrian zones. So A, B, and C. So investing in public, this is parallelism. You got gerund in one phrase, gerund in the second phrase, gerund in the third phrase. A parallel structure. So investing in public transport, building more bike lanes, and creating pedestrian zones are all city priorities. If I have to give you a simple example of this, reading books in my free time and making oil paintings during the holidays, give me, or maybe energize me. So I'm putting two things together over there, but both with the gerunds, right? So investing in public transport in one gerund phrase, building more bike lanes, second gerund phrase, creating pedestrian zones, third gerund phrase. So A, B, and C are all city priorities. Do you get it? So sometimes this kind of sentences are there, but the punctuation is missing. Not understood? I did not get any thumbs up this time.
Semicolon.
No, in the third one. Have you understood the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
After zones, I guess.
Ma'am, in the
Sleeping,
third sentence,
studying, exercising should be your priorities, right? So you cannot reduce your sleeping hours also. So sleeping, exercising, you cannot do without exercise also, right? You need to be healthy. So sleeping, exercising, and studying, you don't have, if you are not a working professional, and studying should be your priorities. Yes, Amreen? You want to ask something?
yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
In the third one sentence, there is an end between the bike lanes and creating pediatrician zone. So why we use comma after lanes?
Because A, B, and C. So we put a comma before and. All right. So you must have at times understood from
And
people.
it already shows na ki
So this is called, this in English, this is called Oxford comma. In formal writing, right? We should use a comma before when we are dividing 2, 3 things, and then for the last one, before the last one, when we put and, we should place a comma before it. Okay.
okay.
Now let's move on to the last one. Improving healthcare is expensive. The government is considering raising taxes. One of you gave the answer earlier. What was that? Yes.
Comma after expensive.
Okay. Improving healthcare is expensive. The government is considering. Don't
Since
you think
both
it should be comma
are
splice?
independent clauses, so I'm semicolon.
Semicolon. Very good. It should be a semicolon. If you don't put a semicolon, it will turn out to be a comma splice then. You understood? Both independent, and we just put a semicolon over there. So far, clear
Yes,
to
ma'am.
everybody?
Ma'am, can we use like in this way, because improving healthcare is expensive, comma, the government is considering raising taxes. Can we use
No.
like a
But you got
conjunction
the
with
word,
comma?
right? Similar, you got the word improving. Improving healthcare is expensive.
Okay. Got it.
You'll have comma in when you have such words. Since improving healthcare is expensive, comma. In that case, you can have a comma, not in this, right? We're looking at the gerund phrases. So that's why this gerund thing is there, right? Because this conveys a different meaning, that will convey a different meaning. Similar,
No, I'm asking like, because improving healthcare is expensive, comma, the government is considering raising taxes.
yes, whether you use the word since or because, in that case, you can have a comma after it.
Yeah, ma'am, this is what I was saying.
Then it will be right. Then it will be right. Then it will be right, but not without that. Okay.
Okay.
Without that, we just put a semicolon over here in between.
Okay.